Okay, for this problem, they want us to find the total area of the large rectangle below. So let's zoom in here again to make it a little easier, right? So we need to figure out the missing components, right? So I could fill in this table, right? I could fill in 4 times 11, right here is 44, right? And then I know that 4, this 4 down here, times something, right? Because that makes this is 4, right? 4 times something over here gives me 12. So we know this is 3, right? So now, since this is also 3, we know that 3 times something up here is 39. So this is 13, right? So we know that that one's 13. So we know this one is 13. So then we now have that this is 13 and this is 11, right? So 13 times 10 is 130 plus 13 more is 143, right? And there's all of the smaller rectangles. Now we have two choices to get the total rectangle. We could add them all up, right? We could take 143, right, plus 44 plus 39 plus 12. We could add the small rectangles. So what's that? 7, 16, 18, carry the 1, 5, 9, 10, 13, carry the 1. 238 units squared. Or we could have seen the length and the width. So the length right here is 4 and 13, that's 17, times the width, 3 plus 11 is 14, right? So 17 times 14, 28, 2, 4, 6, 7, 1, 8, and 13, 238 units squared. So either way, you have two choices of doing these problems. Okay, so let's do B. So we have 8 down here. Let's change color. 8 times something over here is 40. So this is 5. So this is 5. Now we have 5 times 6. This must be 30. The 8's up top, right? And the 6 is up top, right? So 6 times something over here is 18. So this is 3, right? So now 3 times 8 is 24. So again, I can add up all the sub parts, right? So 40 plus 30 plus 24 plus 18. And that gives me 12, carry the 1, 5, 8, 10, 11, 112 units squared. Or I could take the length, right? 8 plus 6 is 14, times 8, right? Times 8. And that's 112 units squared. So either way, so 112 units squared for B and 238 units squared for A.